I've been using the ordinary salicylic acid 0.5% body serum for a while now, and it's become a game changer for my body skincare routine. This lightweight serum is perfect for anyone struggling with body acne or uneven skin texture. One of the standout ingredients is salicylic acid ABHA that penetrates deep into the pores, effectively unclogging them by dissolving dead skin cells and debris. Since using this serum, I've noticed a significant reduction in breakouts, especially on my back and shoulders. It really helps prevent new acne from forming while clearing up existing blemishes. What I love most is how smooth my skin feels after regular use. The gentle exfoliating properties of salicylic acid help to buff away dead skin cells, improving texture and leaving my skin much softer. Plus, it's not drying at all. Just make sure to follow up with a good moisturizer to lock in hydration. I apply it right after showering on clean, dry skin, and it's so easy to incorporate into my routine. While I've been using it daily, you can adjust the frequency based on your skin's needs. Overall, this body serum is an excellent solution for anyone looking to treat body acne and smooth out rough patches. Highly recommend it for its efficacy and simplicity.